Hello, my name's Mark Scowcroft, here on the Ross River, a boat that I've just finished building. It's taken 2.5 years. This is the second time out. We're trying a new propeller.